Hello and welcome students to 12th Commerce Accountancy. I am Sandeep Gohal and today I will teach you about the topic NPO, Not For Profit Organization, which is the chapter number 1 in your accountancy. First of all, we will see about the concept of an NPO, and that's why we will see about the meaning of NPO. Okay, the meaning of NPO is the organization which works without purpose of profit is called NPO. Yes, means there is no any kind of profit motive of any organization, and that's why they are called the NPO. Yes, that would be known as an NGO also, non-government organization, but in accountancy they are called as a NPO, not for profit organization. Okay, now if there is no any kind of profit motive, then what is the motive of this kind of organization? The motive of this organization is to do welfare of the people. Okay, to do charity for the welfare of the people who are in need, who is in necessity. Okay, to do charity for others who are in need for the. Okay, so these two main functions and also other functions which helps the other people. Okay, that kind of functioning are of this NPO. Okay, now the question is that if they are doing this activity, then it means that there would be some expenditure. Okay, and if there is expenditure, there would be some income. But question is that how can they earn income, because they are not doing the business, because there is no profit motive, so that is not the business. Then how can they earn the income? Answer is they are getting the membership fees from their members. First of all, whenever the members wants to get membership. Okay, so it is the first rule of this NPO that if you want to get membership, then you have to pay the membership fees first of all. Then after you get the membership. So this membership fees as an income for this NPO. Okay, the second income would be donations. Yes, there are some donors who donates, and that's why that is also one kind of income for this NPO. And from this all income, they are doing the expenditure for the other people, for the needy people. Okay, so this is the functioning of NPO. Now if there is income, if there is expenditure, then it means that there would be some transactions. And if there is transaction, then we have learned in 11th commerce that we have to maintain some records whenever there is some transaction. Okay, so we have to prepare some accounts in that. So which kind of accounts we have to prepare, that I will tell you. Number one, receipt and payment account. Okay, RECEIPT. Okay, receipt and payment account first of all to prepare. Then second is income and expenditure account, that is the second one. And the third one, that is balance sheet. Okay, so these three things we have to prepare, means the NPO has to prepare to maintain the records of income and expenditure. But before we proceed for these accounts, we should be clear about the income and expenditure, because the income are also two types and the expenditure are also of two types. So we should be aware, we should be familiar. If you want to solve the practicals easily, then in our mind the concept of receipts, the concept of income, as well the concept of expenditure should be clear. Then after we can do the next very easily. Okay, so before this we will see the types of income, the types of expenditure first. Okay, First of all, we will see about the receipts. Okay, receipts mean income. So there are two types of income: capital receipt and revenue receipt. Okay, capital receipt. Now, what is capital receipt? It is an income which they receive in the form of funds from the donors. Okay, so that is a capital receipt. Now, why they are capital receipts called? Because it would be in a big amount, and this kind of income gives benefits for more than 1 year to the NPO. So that would be a capital receipt form. Okay, now I give an example like building fund, then sports fund, then lifetime membership fees. Okay, this all are an example of capital receipts. Lifetime membership fees, that is lifetime. Once you pay, then there is no need to pay. That is called lifetime. Okay, so this all kind of income are capital receipts because they give benefit for more than 1 year to the NPO. That's why they are called capital receipt. Okay, now next. The second is revenue receipt. What is revenue receipt? The income. It is the income which the organization receives from their routine activity. Okay, from the routine activity of the organization, they are getting the income, then that is called revenue receipt. It means that they are receiving the income regular. Okay, and regularly they are receiving the income. That's why that is called revenue receipt. Now I give an example. For example, subscription. Okay, subscription means membership fees. Okay, that is called subscription in NPO. Now the members has to pay every year if they want to continue the membership. Okay, so that is regular incomes, and that's why that is revenue receipt. The next is sale of newspaper, then rent also. Okay, so this all kind, and there is others also, but we will discuss further. But just we have to understand the concept first of all. That's why we are doing so. Okay, so this all are revenue receipts. Now we will see about the expenditure. Okay, what kind of expenditure are there? Same way, capital and revenue. So number 3, capital expenditure. It is an expenditure which never expires in current year. Okay, never expire in current year, but it gives benefit to other year also, means the next year. Okay, to next year also. So that is called capital expenditure. Okay, now we will see the example also, or I give you one more thing about that. It means that there would be acquisition of asset. Okay, so acquisition. Okay, there would be acquisition of assets. It means I give an example for that. Suppose the NPO are planning to buy laptop. Okay, now the laptop cost would be suppose 45,000. So that is capital expenditure for the NPO, because they will give benefits for more than 1 year, because laptop will not be bought year by year. Okay, they will it will give benefit for more than 1 year. So this kind of things are called capital expenditure, and laptop is an asset, so it is an acquisition of asset. Okay, that is the capital expenditure. And now we will see the last one, that is revenue expenditure. Now what is revenue expenditure? Which expires in current year. Means it is regular expenditure. Okay, in their routine activity. The organization are doing the regular expenditure in the routine activity. Okay, so this kind of expenditure are called revenue expenditure. Now I give you an example. Example are salary, then electricity bill, then telephone bill, rent, and so on, insurance premium. Okay, so many things are there in revenue expenditure. Okay, so we have seen two types of expenditure and two types of income, capital receipt and capital receipt and revenue receipt. Same way, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Okay, so students, I request you all to learn this video again and watch carefully to understand the concept of this income and expenditure, because it would be useful in the next part that we will see in the next video. Okay, this is the end of this video. We will meet again in the next video. See you. Goodbye. Thank you.